We're at the dog show in Logan, Utah. Lots of dogs. Some are fighting with each other. A lot of cute ones. A lot of grooming going on. Shavings and combings and pettings. I'm a little jealous. Let's take a walk around, take a look. Lots of dogs here. Having fun? Puppies. Murder puppies. Can't say your dog's fat or needs brushed. All dogged out, so we're gonna probably head out and explore more of Logan in a minute. The Logan Tabernacle, Starbucks. Still a lot of traffic, but not as bad as Ogden, so it's a little bit better. Good old Logan, Utah. We are at our Logan Mormon temple, where they're having a ceremony to welcome in the young Mormonites. Out in the distance, you see the snow on the mountains. wife on her Event and Pace 4 e-bike. Let's take a look up front and see if we see anything this way. Trying to get run over by any of these Mormonic cars. Praise be. Yes, lots of stuff going on here today. We are being shunned away, so we aren't welcome. So we're going to go down to the lower section here. Mormons are the richest people in the country, possibly the world. Just look at their buildings and their parking lots, all their manicured grass, and their cute outfits. Let's take a peek out over the hill here. Down here we have Logan. Much better town, more peaceful than Ogden. Still has a lot of people, but it's a lot less people, so it's a little more manageable. This is a cute little town where someone could come and raise a family and live a happy life. I'm making an awful gluten-free pizza. While I'm doing that, got some view of some wild horses that have been captured. After a long day of adventuring around Logan, Utah, can get the bikes on. And there's some horsies over here still standing, staring. One thing that people don't know about my wife Ash is that she's a very avid video game player. She loves Skyrim, Civilization series, Age of Wonders, Divinity, Original Sin. She was trying to get into Kingdom Come Deliverance, but we haven't had time. But that's what she's been doing today. She's been going hard for hours. To keep her fueled, she gets pretzels, gummy bears, and Reese's Puffs, along with as many protein drinks as she can get. She really loves these ones, the 20 grams of protein Chobani. We'll just sneak up over on her and see if she needs any more snacks for her gaming. See how good she's doing, if she's winning. She might be winning. She always looks good when she's winning. Are you winning? Did you get them all? She's really in the thick of it. But we're going to end this video here. This is our first day in Logan, Utah. Please like, subscribe, and we'll try to do some more videos in the future. Thank you.